Friday frenzy here on the mold, and I'm proving that there is more than one way to skin a cat, effectively. Pardon the pun, but it's been a big couple of weeks, and I'm going to just give you a little bit of a rundown of what I've done over the last couple of weeks, and hopefully keep it pretty simple. But yeah, pretty damn happy. I've got a great result. Alright, so I've got all of the wing frames up the front here. That's the anchor box in there. So imagine the anchor chain going in there into that box there. Those MDF panels will be replaced by this foam core glass. And I'm standing about 20 feet up. I've got the crash bulkhead here, first bulkhead. So I'll take a bit of a walk through here. This is once again the starboard head with the template that's fallen in there. You can see down in here is the toilet. This is a wet head. This area here is a washing machine. We've got our sink, the door's there. And then you walk out into this this bedroom here, that's actually a seat, and we've got a big wardrobe here, and then this section here is actually the base of the queen size bed, and there's stairs up into that. Wow, it's windy. And we'll move along here down into the companionway. Now ultimately you're going to go down these stairs and in through a bulkhead there, so that'll be a solid wall there with a door, and then we've got a floor, and then up here is going to be 57 Yanmars, so they're going to be in there with a stern drive and an access hatch right there, so that I can get into the cutlass bearing and into all the workings down in there. So this will just give you another viewpoint from me walking along the top of the gunnel, but the purpose of the video here is just to show you what I've been up to. There's plenty more to come, and there's a lot of this construction of these particular modules and floor panels in the upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned, guys. I'm sorry it's a shorty. It has been an absolutely huge week, and I've had some big achievements, so I'm pretty damn happy with the way the week's gone. So that's the end of another episode, guys. I'm dealing with the summer winds now. We had 45 degrees Celsius in the tent here the other day. It actually peaked at 49 for about half an hour. It was unbearable, but summer's here, and I'm basically back in the tent assembling all the parts and working out all the floors and everything at this stage. So if you like this episode, give it a like. I keep forgetting to ask you to like it, and subscribe away and share it out to all your mates. And I'll see you next time on Life on the Mold. Thanks for joining me. Catch you later. See ya.